Hello, Gemini. How you guys doing, my loves? This is Sheila back from Into the Soul 78. And I wanted to thank everybody who's on the channel tonight. Welcome, subscribers. Welcome, new subscribers, new people coming in and interested in the channel. Welcome, cross-watchers. Thank you so much for being with us. And we can go ahead and begin advice. I did want to let you know real quick, I am doing $20 love readings this month. So if anybody's interested, you guys can send me an email at intuitivesoul2978@outlook.com. Okay, my loves, let's go ahead and get this started for you. So, for the person that my Gemini is dealing with, please. For Gemini's person, what is their lesson right now? It's about surrender. I can release my need to control. So, your person needs to work on the need to control things. Okay? And for my Gemini, what is the lesson for Gem? My loves, you guys got the card Peace. I like this. I am a being of love, and I release all negative energy. I see how you and your person are both feeling about the relationship. What is Gemini's person feeling about the relationship, please, Spirit? Thank you, Spirit. Gemini's person got a flyer. Alright, their card says, I like you. Someone likes you. Romance is blooming. Fun, flirting, and wanting to date. I'm getting a secret admirer kind of vibe from there. I don't know why you might have a secret admirer, Gemini, somewhere out there, okay? Alright. Or your person does. Alright, and for Gemini, I think I got the card Kisses. Let me see here. Yeah, Kisses. It says unconditionally loving, giving and receiving affection, and falling in love. Woo, baby. Nice. Someone's falling in love. Alright, what is the advice for each of you within the relationship? The advice for the person that Gemini is dealing with? Or what is going on with them? Show me the advice, please, Spirit, for them. The advice for your person. You deserve love. You are lovable. Okay, and for my Gemini, please, what is their card? Gemini got very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Gemini, I'm not at all surprised you guys got that card. You guys can often be double-minded. Or see the both sides of every coin, every situation, every thought. Okay, my love, so with the card Peace coming out, Kisses, and very soon, I feel like you're falling in love with somebody. You might be having fears or anxiety about your emotions and feeling so strongly about this person. Okay, for your person, they're trying to control things. Maybe they're trying to control their feelings. And when in regards to this relationship, but they definitely like you, and they know that you like them, that you care about them. Okay, romance is blooming. You guys are dating. And then you deserve love. You're lovable. Your person might have an issue with understanding that they are lovable. That's why they might be trying to control their emotions or control the situation. Some of them might do that by pushing you away. So just keep that in mind. Hate to that what it says there for them, that they deserve love. Maybe they don't understand, or they don't believe that they do deep down inside. Let's go ahead and find out what your person is going through. I'm going to use the Morgan Greer for your person, and then we'll use astrology answers for you. Alright, Gemini. Let's find out what's going on, what your person is currently bringing into the relationship, what their energy is. What is Gemini's person bringing into the relationship? So far, so good, you guys. I like it. What is Gemini's person bringing into the relationship? What is their current energy, please? What is their energy like? Thank you, Spirit. For Gemini's person, December 2021, we have the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. We have the Lovers in reverse. We have the Knight of Cups. And I'm going to get one more. One more card, please, Spirit. We also got the Page of Pentacles. Page of Pentacles. Okay. Put these right here and see what's at the bottom of the deck for them. We have the Six of Wands. That's a great card to get. And the King of Cups. Very nice. Ooh, Eight of Wands also. So I feel like your person is communicating that they care about you. You could be dealing with a Scorpio or any water sign. I have here We have the 8 and 9 of Wands, which is going to be Sagittarius energy. We have the Page of Pentacles, which can be any earth sign. We have the Knight of Cups, who for me that represents more Pisces. The Lovers is Gemini, which is your energy, my love. And then we have Ace of Pentacles, which is any earth sign, but it's in the reverse. With the Ace of Pentacles being in the reverse and the Lovers being in reverse, my love, I feel like this is taking a while to get off, or your person may feel like this is taking a while to get off the ground. Maybe your person is hesitant. Maybe they've been through a difficult or challenging relationship in the past with that Lovers card being in the reverse. Your person, I feel like they have a difficult time investing into a relationship because they've been wounded in the past, or they've been through things, or somebody that they really love left them in the past, and then it left them with kind of a complex. Okay, but they do want success with you here. They do want to share their emotions, and they are going to be coming towards you, letting you know how they feel. I feel like this late start and the ex thing has an effect on them. But I do see them wanting to bring you some sort of offer. It might be a small offer right now, but it will work out in the long term, and it will turn into stability because it's a pentacle. Okay, the Knight of Cups can be a little bit flighty, a little bit in and out. They could be that's going to be a person who's romantic. They wear their heart on their sleeve. They're going to, tell you their emotions. Right now, they may be a knight or showing up as a knight, but they could be blossoming very well into this King of Cups right here. Okay? And just maturing. For some of you guys were separated and got back together, and your person has really come back with a lot of, showing a lot of maturity within the relationship. Okay? Let me just find out real quick about the Ace of Pentacles and the Lovers being in reverse. Why are these cards in reverse? I do feel like it's from the past. Just energy that they're still holding on to. Something that they need to cut ties with altogether. Or just let go of the old memories, old thoughts about another relationship that could be affecting your relationship with them now. Show me the Ace of Pentacles reverse, Lovers in reverse. Yeah, they're holding on to something that they haven't let go of. And it could be pain or regret, or some sort of something that's affecting your guys' relationship now. It's affecting your person, which is affecting the relationship. Maybe they were done dirty or something like that. Yeah, Ace of Wands in reverse. That's 2 aces in reverse. It was a missed opportunity from the past, or something that fell apart from the past that they're still holding on to. One more, please. Thank you. With the 5 of Pentacles. So your person could have been left behind, dumped, left out in the cold, or burned by somebody in the past, and that energy is still carrying over into this relationship. You might be in a relationship with somebody who was fresh out of another one, or who just carries pain and hurt from an old relationship. Alright, so far so good, my loves. A lot of us carry baggage, into our relationships. All of us do, I think. Okay, so this card fell out already. 4 of Swords. And 4 of Swords is about taking a break, meditating, getting rest, healing over some sort of heartbreak. So you might be coming out of heartbreak as well, right? Because the 3 of Swords is right before the 4 of Swords. You might be praying, meditating, thinking, consulting with yourself, asking yourself where this is going or what you want out of this relationship. 4 of Swords. Definitely taking some time out. If you're trying to figure things out, maybe you can't figure out your person because your person hasn't told you these things. We have the Empress. This is big love. Some of you guys are mothers. Some of you guys are expectant and going to be a mother. This is about abundance. This is beautiful. A beautiful card to get. Everything she touches turns to gold. The Empress. The Empress is a Libra Taurus energy, so you could be dealing with a Libra or a Taurus. Okay, I love that energy. So you're thinking about the future. You're thinking about motherhood. You're thinking about marriage. You're thinking about being somebody's wifey or husband. You are anticipating really good things, beautiful things to blossom. I love it. You're falling in love. Oh my goodness, Gem, I love it. Woo. Okay. But this, I feel, is your person's energy. They're resisting. Maybe your person is, I don't want to say rejecting, but maybe your person is being stubborn right now. And they're not accepting your gestures. Okay? Your offer towards them. They could be hesitant because they've been brokenhearted in the past. Something they need to work on. And we have the 6 of Cups. I love this. This is adorable. This energy is soulmate energy. It's beautiful. It's nostalgia. It's recollecting the past. This could be, or you could be dealing with somebody from the past and you guys are in a brand new relationship. I don't feel that though. I feel like this is just straight soulmate energy, and your person might not be seeing it that that's what it is. Okay, this is at the bottom of the deck for you guys. Oh, beautiful. You have your person's energy all up in your reading. Knight of Cups in the upright. That is so beautiful. Your person might have been really in and out in the past. They might have dealt with their ex or something during the relationship, but they're taking control. Somebody's taking control here, getting control of themselves, and things are going to be made right. Oh my God, another major arcana. You guys have the Magician as well. Very, very, very powerful cards. I'm seeing this reading as a very positive thing, in a very positive light. Knight of Cups. I think that your person, let me see here. Let me take these down. Things are going to be made right here. You guys, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 major arcanas. The soulmate card, the Empress, the Knight of Cups. Everything looks really beautiful for you. Your person does not have any major arcanas. So what this tells me is that big changes are coming into your life, my love. They're about justice. They're about manifesting. They're about getting control of your life, being, bossing up, taking control of your life, finding love, giving love, extending yourself. Your person is struggling though. They're struggling to accept this offer because of something that happened in the past for them. Maybe they were rejected by somebody in the past and they're afraid to give their heart away. Maybe they don't know, or they don't see the potential in when you're offering them yet. I do see that things are going to progress with your person going from a knight to a king. Most definitely things are going to grow stronger. This is a really positive reading. Your person may have been a player in the past, like before they got with you, but they're coming in more stable, more legitimate. Maybe even before they were with you. That just doesn't have to be from right now. Or maybe they were cheated on or something, or you were cheated on in the past. So one of you guys were, or if not both of you guys were. But that's what it looks like to me. But you're stepping up, making a decision. Things are going to be made fair when they were unfair. I feel like this has a lot of potential for both of you guys. I feel like your person is just wounded, and they're going to learn and grow, and not to put that on this relationship here. I see a lot of potential here. I only feel like they're resisting your offer right now because of what has happened in the past with them. But they can't see what an incredible blessing this is, Gemini. You have something really freaking amazing to offer this person. And I do see this relationship growing. We have the Emperor and the Empress on your side. That is, that could be like that's definitely soulmate because we have the Six of Cups here. But it could be, you guys could be like in a twin flame relationship. That could be the reason why it is struggling right now. Twin flame relationships are the most difficult, but the most beautiful relationships you can even imagine. Okay. So for you, Spirit is asking you to clearly decide what you want out of the relationship so that it comes to you soon, whether it be this one or another one. But I feel like it's this one. I feel like you're all in, Gem. And your person has a little bit of issues. They might have self-esteem issues or issues from the past that they need to get over. They need to surrender control. Maybe they're trying to control themselves and not allow themselves to feel these feelings, Gemini. But they do like you a lot, okay? And the romance is blooming. I love this for you guys. This is one of the best readings I've done so far this month. All right, my loves. So, on your side, you got Libra, Taurus. You got some Knight of Cups here. That's Pisces for me. We have Aries, the Emperor. Justice is Libra. Magician is Virgo or Gemini. Okay, I'm pretty sure I got all of the signs. What do we not have on your side? There are no Pentacles on your side. No Earth on your side. But we have the Emperor and the Empress. That was badass energy, you guys. Really good energy. I'm so happy for you guys. Let me see what the Oracle messages are for you. For my Gemini. I love it. I'm so glad. I was going to go to sleep. I was tired. It's like 2 a.m. here. But I wanted to get your reading out to you guys. Thank you so much. This really puts me in a good mood. Okay. So, they're for you and your person, okay? Let me see here. When you meet your soulmate, you'll feel calm, no anxiety, no agitation. I love that. So you guys definitely have soulmate energy here. This is for one of y'all. It says, don't be afraid of losing someone who doesn't want you. So I'm telling you, I feel like that one's for your person, because your person is not over something from the past. Let's get one more energy for you guys, okay? For my Gemini, please. And or their person, it says, follow your heart's desires and manifest the heck out of your life. Especially with that Magician coming out, you can manifest anything you want right now. So be very careful with your thoughts. Make sure you're attracting things that you want and not what you don't want, Gemini, because you're going to invite whatever you're thinking about. Okay, my love? So keep your spirits up. Know that this is going to grow. It has the potential to grow at least, right? But everybody has free will. What I see for you is something very beautiful. Beautiful soulmate relationship, if not twin flame. I wish you guys love. I wish you guys life. I wish you guys happiness. And peace of mind, very, very much. You guys, could you do me a favor, please, and smash that like button, subscribe button, hit the notifications if you want to know when I upload again, and subscribe to the channel. That'd be awesome. Let me know in the comments how this resonates with you guys. I really appreciate it. It's still a brand new channel. And if I didn't tell you guys already, I'm doing $20 love readings this month, so email me at intuitivesoul2978@outlook.com if anybody needs a reading. Love you guys.